White Label Go High Level tutorial. Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can white label Go High Level quickly and easily. This means that you'll have your very own branded platform to resell Go High Level SaaS services under your name. But before we dive in, if you're new to Go High Level, I've got an exclusive 30-day free trial link in the description below. If you sign up with my link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 14-day trial. On top of that, I'm going to provide you with access to my Go High Level Jumpstart course, which will help you get started quickly and make the most out of the platform. Now, let's get started. So, what is white labeling? Before we jump into the technical part, let's quickly talk about what white labeling actually is. So white labeling is when you take a product or a service that's already been developed and you put your own branding on it, essentially making it look like it's yours. It's a way for you to offer a complete professional grade service without needing to spend time and money building it from scratch. For example, with Go High Level, you can take the robust CRM platform and rebrand it with your own logo, domain, and company details. Now, this means that your clients will think they're logging into a system built by your company, giving your brand a lot more credibility. So white labeling is a powerful way to scale your business because it allows you to focus on marketing, sales, and customer relationships without worrying about product development. You get a high-quality product to sell under your name, and your clients get an incredible experience with your branding. Now, let's come to the main part. How can you white label Go High Level with your own brand? The first thing that you'll need to access is where your domain is hosted. This could be a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap, or a hosting provider if you have a website on your domain. Now, let's jump into your Go High Level account. So once you're logged in, navigate to the settings on the left-hand side and click on it. Now, once you're inside your account settings, click on Company. Now, this is where we'll customize your platform to make your brand. The first thing that we'll do is upload your company logo. Click on the Upload button and select your logo file from your computer. It might take a few seconds to upload. If your logo doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or switching to another tab, and then go back to the company settings. Once uploaded, you should see your logo in the top left corner of the page. Now, this means that your logo has been successfully updated and will now appear throughout the platform. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference in branding your platform. Now, once you've added your company logo, go ahead and fill in your company name, email, and phone number. Then enter your website, pick the right business category from the drop down, and select your niche. Taking it step by step will make the process feel more manageable and straightforward. Next, we'll set up your custom login domain. Now, in the white labeling domain field, enter the subdomain that you want to use for your login page. This is the part that comes before your main domain name. Common choices include app, login, or members. For example, I prefer using app, so I'll type in app.yourdomain.com, but make sure to replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain name. Now, this custom subdomain is what your clients will see when they log in, making the experience more seamless and branded. Now, once you've entered your desired subdomain, click on the Add Domain next to the field. Now, this will open a pop-up with where you can connect your domain. Now, there are two options to connect your domain, so let's break them down so that you can decide which one works best for you. First, the Go High Level can automatically connect your domain. This is the simpler option if you're not comfortable with DNS settings. All you need to do is click the Continue button, and Go High Level will then try to detect your domain provider, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap, and they will prompt you to authorize the connection. Now, to do this, simply click on Authorize Domain. And once authorized, Go High Level will take care of linking your domain to your account. This option is great because it saves time and it reduces the chances of making a mistake with DNS settings. If you prefer or you need to add the records manually, perhaps because automatic connection isn't working, click on the Add Record Manually. And here you'll need to enter details like the CNAME, the host, and the required value. After that, click on Verify Records, and if any of these terms sound confusing, then don't worry. GoHighLevel provides a Watch the Help video option, which is a great resource for walking you through each step. Manual setup might take a bit more effort, but it's completely doable, especially with the help video to guide you through. After updating the DNS records, it's important to understand that it might take some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. This is a normal part of the process, and how long it takes depends on your domain provider. Typically, it'll only take a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take up to 24 hours. Just be patient. It's completely normal if it takes a while. To check if the changes have been made, head back to GoHighLevel and click on the Update Company button in the Company section of your settings. This refreshes the connection and lets GoHighLevel check if everything is in place. If you get an error saying that the domain couldn't be found, this just means the changes haven't fully propagated yet. Give it another 10 to 15 minutes and try again. It's all part of the process, so there's no need to worry if it takes a little bit longer. Now, once the DNS changes have been propagated, you can test everything by opening a new browser tab and navigating to your custom subdomain like app.yourdomain.com. Now, when the page loads, you should see the GoHighLevel login page, but this time with your logo displayed at the top. Now, this is a big deal because it means that your platform is now fully branded as your own, providing a consistent and professional experience for your clients. So, if you see the logo, congratulations, you successfully linked your custom domain and your platform is now white labeled. This might seem like a small change, but it makes a huge difference in how your clients perceive your business. And that's it, guys. You've just learned how to white label GoHighLevel and create a fully branded platform that you can resell under your own name. Now remember, if you're new to GoHighLevel, I've got an exclusive 30-day free trial link in the description below. If you sign up with my link, you'll also get access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, which will help you make the most out of this powerful tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything else that you would like me to cover. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.